The government of Pakistan resolutely decided to take action in order to cleanse various regions and cities of terrorism.
And this film of when they were over there.
Been the Member of Parliament for this seat for 11 years, and it's as well that today I can say and express my thanks.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Where Commander who's yet to be decided, because other people are interested.
In this respect, how did your forefathers and grandfathers in the city were the pace setters, and you will never know when they first arrived what they had to endure and what they actually went through. And I tell the story of the late respected Mr. Karamat Hussain, in some respects, because it could be a bit of a road.
2.5 years and number of senior dignitaries, including Pakistani born and bred here. Naturally, we've got strong ties. It's not our motherland, but with the army.
A Pakistani officer, but a British police officer as well. And hence why I seek to address you tonight, if I can. I won't keep from the food. You can probably attack me, and I've got my taser with me, so I can't tase anybody, just in case food becomes difficult. You know.
And when I saw the film, I didn't know
the traditional Pakistani food will be served in the foyer.